Definitely time to update. It is August the 27th, 2024. But let's just take a look here of what's new. I've showed you before reactions, which are so much fun. So, and you can, I don't know if you know too, that you can look up a new emoji. So anything that's here in reactions, you can go beyond these and add something that is moving with the reactions, or you can go with your regular off to the corner. All right, raise hand, lower hand, play chime with raise hands, chat, show chat previews. If you haven't looked around, I encourage you to look around. What's new? Host tools, AI companion. I do have the summary. I'm really liking that. I'll link that video. And apps, we've gone over that before too. Polls and quizzes are right there. It's probably something new there. Breakout rooms. Docs, that's a little bit newer, where you can, so all allow participants to share documents. Host only are all participants, exclude anonymous users. All participants can create a document in this meeting. Wherever you see the little I, it will give you a little bit more information of what that means. So hello from Zoom Docs, and you can start a new one. It brings you into a different space. Okay, and it's giving the title right away. Let's brainstorm here, gather ideas together, rule around, don't erase, text, type. Okay, and so I can click share, and I could potentially here check the ones that are in the meeting, collaborating already. I can copy the link too and drop that into chat. It's giving you some new discover what you can do, edit together, comment on each other's, try spotlight. That's fantastic too. Get everyone to follow you. So that's wonderful. Help and resources, show pages, you can add another page. So there's a lot you can do here. You can show comments. So that's fantastic. Now let's test how to get out of here. If I just X out the doc up at the top, that brought me back. Let's see what else is more. So we've got captions we've talked about before, support, notes, allow participants to share a note. Not sure what that looks like. That's a setting, so you can test that. And then more whiteboard, live stream, focus mode, reset to default. So you can set it up. I encourage you to test. The assignment next time with others is to try out what these notes are. I know with chat too, there's some new features and options here too. Some things will only show up when you have multiple people in the room already. The way I sometimes test this is I go on to multiple devices, get into the same room, turn off my camera. I don't connect to the audio on everything because of this reason of the echo when I'm testing things out. But I encourage you, this is my first look around right now towards the end of August of the summer, to see what's new. And this is an update that you can check out and look around and go into your settings as well. Let's just take a look here. So the little shield has moved where it used to be from my previous videos. And I can go into some settings here, not all of them. Definitely I'm going to go into my main account to check it out. There's some different themes that's been more recent. I'll share that video too, where I was exploring. Use dual monitors. That's an important thing to show video participants videos and screen shared content on separate screens. So that's something to explore as well. That might find background and effects. Right now I have the, yes, you see the touch up. But I've got blur currently, and if I go to none, then you can see my actual background as well. And let's just go back to blur. For some meetings, that's been more appropriate. And you can go through all your settings as well, including closed captions. So thank you for checking this out. A quick look into Zoom. I'm sure there is more for me to explore, but there was just an update today, and I thought I would quickly look around to see what I could see. Let me know what you've noticed recently in Zoom in the comments below. Like this video if you want to see more like this and other hot tips, and there's quite a few videos coming very soon. Definitely hit subscribe, and it only lets you know when a new video is available that is completely free. Share the love for these videos as well. Thanks for checking this out. My name is Patricia Regier.